ungasibheka ujahile, just take your time. Silaba sihlala sitheshile awubheka uline. Ungasifanisi nathi simadu or die. Sidla ubusha bethu wena uphethe umkhubo isinayi. Vele ipiyani iyarula mina ngiphethe straight sama ngiphephuke nje lula. Ingudi noma isayila wabhayiza siyandlula weguluvu ungazosithayila amashayila lavuka. Sibangela ngetoyitoyi lemigodoyi libanyana bari slam twice awunakoloyi. Ngijoni wokhamba injami endakhisol ngoba lempilo sayifoster uze singadoyi. Oy sakanyuka sifuna inyukula. What is that thing? Kithupa sifuka fere fantuka loko strepa sipusha no radibusa kapene lipuka fana kahla mbili on the mic. Get it right ngapi scoop sakhathela uphethe bani on the side. Phela zifanga mbuyinye when we touch down. We looking fresh to death khohluma shambland in tongue resa plan. Lathi one day so popa sivuke ngama Kellogg's khohle nyange kota. Ngeke ngihlukane nekasi spot in the all star. It ain't my fault
kuthi cherry wakho uyangistoka.
Khululeka wanna relax baby rhlanuka. Let me stack that bag, I'll take you la vida luka. Kobeleka ubebuthebelele everything super. Danathanda mina ngizokunika life but we pooper. Shout out to Spoon and T's Nation. Fike lama pantsula lana spacing. Yile hamba bayibuza dona white skin. How's a call white you to medal side thing. Yatima matente shia kupuskansia. Things will be better with time, we just have to hold on. Yatima matente shia kupuskansia. Things will be better with time, we just have to hold on. Yatima matente shia kupuskansia. Things will be better with time, we just have to hold on. Sizophumelela wena bambelela qinisela, we just have to hold on. Sizophumelela bambelela wena qinisela, we just have to hold on.